welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my New Year's Eve inspired makeup look, and I decided to create this look right here. It's kind of like sultry and vampy at the same time, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I did use some new products that I did get for Christmas, which is the Anastasia highlighting palette and the shadow that's as well as on the lid, and I have to say I'm pretty obsessed with this look, and I actually think I'm going to wear this makeup tutorial or makeup look on New Year's Eve as well. But if you guys want to know how I got this look and how I did it, then please keep watching. Okay, so you guys know the drill. We are going to prime our eyes, and I'm going to be using the same thing that I use in every single tutorial, and this is Painterly Paint Pot by MAC Cosmetics, and I've been using this for years, and you guys know the drill. I pretty much prime my eyes and then go ahead and set it with powder, and I'm actually going to be using some new brushes that I just received by Royal and Nickel, and I've actually been really enjoying these brushes. So I'm going to use the brush by them, but this is from a different line, and I'm going to be using the fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to be taking that light brown color by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe, and I'm going to kind of just mix those two colors together and make that our transition shade. And of course, I'm going to be building this color up until I like how it looks and how pigmented it is on my eyes. And I kind of go back and forth with the shade. I just add a little bit and then go ahead and blend it out, and then add a little bit more and then go ahead and blend it out. After each shadow that I do take this brush and go over it just to blend the two colors together. The next color I'm going to be taking is the color Chip, and I'm going to be applying this on a small shadow brush, and I'm going to use this like a smoky liner. I'm just kind of doing this very messily because we want this look to kind of be a messy, blown out smoky eye. And then I'm going back in with a smaller crease brush, and I'm just going to be taking that color that we did just use, which is Chip, and I'm going to blend that on the outer corners. And then after that, I'm going to be taking the color Mocha, and I'm going to really deepen up the eyes with this, and I'm going to be taking that as a second kind of liner shade, and I'm going to just put this on with the small crease brush that we did use. And then after that, I'm going to be taking this beautiful shadow right here in this kind of iridescence, like a gray kind of olive color, and I think it's super pretty and super festive, so I decided to use this. And like I said, it's by Ulta Beauty. This actually came in a Christmas gift that I did get, and this is called Disrupted, and again, this is by Ulta, and it's kind of like a pressed pigment. And I really like the formula of this because it was super pigmented and super sparkly. And then after that, I'm going to be using this mascara by Maybelline, and I've actually been really loving this mascara. I got it in a sample of my cleanser, and I've been just really loving this mascara, and I think I'm actually going to purchase the full size. I really like how it just really separates the lashes and just makes them look so much more detailed than any mascara that I've ever used. So I'm going to use that today to apply on my lashes. And then after that, I'm going to be taking some of this black shade right here, and I'm just going to go really close to my lash line and just use this as eyeliner on the top. And I'm also using a more defined brush to do so. And then after that, I'm going to be priming my face, and I'm going to put this all over my face. This is by Too Faced, and this is the Primed Matte Poreless Peaches and Cream collection, and I like this to mattify my face. And then after that, I'm going to be using my baby skin, and I'm just going to use this to minimize any pores and just really smooth out the whole entire skin. And then after that, I'm going to be taking some lashes, and I'm going to apply these to the upper lash line. I did forget which lashes these are, but I know they are from Amazon, which is where I get most of my lashes, and I have them linked down below. After that, I'm going to be taking my two favorite foundations, and this is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless and my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer foundation, and I'm going to just put that all over my face, and I did get some new sponges for Christmas, some Real Techniques ones, so I'm using a brand new one right here, and I have been loving my Real Techniques sponges lately. So I'm just going to blend that out all over the face and kind of get a coverage that I actually like. This two foundations actually have really good coverage together, which is good because I don't have to use so much, and I just love how it looks and how it looks so seamless and really poreless. So I'm just going to apply that, and then after that I'm going to be using my LA Girl Cosmetics concealer just to highlight the under eye area and as well as down the nose and any other parts of our face that I'm going to highlight. And then after that, I am going to be setting my concealer in any other areas that we did decide to highlight, and I'm going to be using my Airspun powder to do so. I've been going back and forth from the Peaches and Cream powder and the Airspun powder, and to be honest, I really like both of them even together, so I kind of just go back and forth, but for the most part I've been still using my Airspun powder. I'm going to use a little kabuki brush to apply the rest of the powder on the rest of my face, and then after that I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, and I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula bronzer, and I'm going to just contour my face and kind of bronze it up because I've been looking so pale lately, so I do like to just bronze the skin a lot more when I'm going to be a little bit pale. So I'm just bronzing right here, my temples, my cheekbones, underneath my jaw, and as well as on the sides of my nose. I really like this brush, this Royal Lane Nickel brush, to do so. This is kind of like a powdered blush brush, and I've been loving how flawless it just makes my bronzer look. And then after that, I'm going to kind of bake underneath our contour just so it can look a lot sharper, and I'm going to be using my Airspun powder on a sponge just to kind of clean up those areas. And then after that, I'm going to be using a Tarte blush, and I'm going to apply this to our cheeks. And then after that, I'm going to add some highlight, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this glow kit is called Sun Dipped, and I'm using the color Shimmer and Moonstone, and I'm going to mix those two colors together and apply that to my cheeks. And I've been obsessing over this highlighter lately. Ever since I got it for Christmas, I've been using it nonstop. I just really love how Anastasia's highlighters just really pop, and you could actually tell that you're wearing highlighter. Some highlighters I feel like are really hard to kind of bring out on the skin, but not with Anastasia. You can always add some on your cheeks, and then you could really see it. After that, I'm going to go to the lower lash line, and I'm going to be mixing the shades Chip and Central Park, and I'm going to just blend that underneath our eyes, and I'm going to put this right on the tight line of our lower lash line with a small brush, and then I'm actually going to smoke it out in just a second, and I'm going to be using a small little blending brush, and I'm going to be using the shade Pewter and Pukey, and I'm going to just move that along the lower lash line and just really blend it out. And then I'm going back with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm taking the color Shimmer and Moonstone again and adding that on our inner tear duct of our eyes. And then after that, I am going to be using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in the color Mondays. So that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the little bell down below. That way you guys can be notified when I upload. Don't forget to check out all my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.